For the ice skaters, let's look at the top exercise here. We have the C position chord or the snowman chord, but played separately. So 5 and then 1 and 3 together. Jump, jump, down, up, up, down, up, up. Let's look at the 5-7 chord played with your 4, 1 and 2 squeezed together. 4, 4, and 4 chord 5-7. We're going to stretch that 5 over to B, a little bit different than the other chord, and keep the 1 and 2 on the top. Down, jump, jump. Okay, so after you've mastered those 3 chords at home, let's go over to starting with the left hand here. On the bass C, my right hand, thumb on E. Keep the left hand light. Move your 5 up to D. Turn your 4 over. Stretch the left hand. Move your 5 back. And up here. Hold the G, G, and next page. Repeat back to the beginning. Move your 5 up to D and turn the 4 over. Move up and finish right where it says fine. With our right hand, let's start our thumb on E. Five up to D. Turn your 4 over. Move our thumb up to E and stretch to C. G, switch your thumb over to G and stay right there. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, down, up, up, down, up, up. 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 4. And you would repeat from the beginning until fine. Let's switch over to our left hand. 5 on the bass C. Follow me with the down, up, up. So C, up, up, and then D, up, up, D, up, up. Again, D, up, up. Let's go back to C. C, up, stretch your 5 to B, back to C. Next page, hold down the C chord. 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. Now move your 2 and 4 to the 2 black keys up here and back to 1 and 2. Hold that down, and to finish off, go back to the beginning and repeat where it says fine.